When you buy a property, there are a lot of things to consider, and I've talked about that a lot in these videos around what it is that you need to consider, what entities you're buying things in, making sure that the property has all of the things in place that you need to. You get a building and pest inspection, you get your finance sorted. But let's talk today about what to do if you're buying an investment property. So we do a lot of work with investors who are buying their properties, and there's an additional set of considerations that you need to have. The main and first one is the entity that you're going to buy the property in. So if you're going to buy a property, there's going to be some tax consequences when you have an investment property. Because if you're earning income, you're going to have to pay income tax on that money that you earn, and you need to make sure that you sit down with your accountant and make sure that the investment entity that's going to buy the property is the right one for you, or if you need to set up another one. The next thing you need to think about is also risk mitigation. So when you're buying a property and you're going to have a tenant in the property, that has a different set of risks to just owning a home personally. So you need to talk to your lawyer, and we do this all the time, about what entity should be there and how it should be separated, and what are the benefits of having a different entity to yourself as opposed to having the property in your own name. And probably the third major one is really thinking about where it is and how it's going to be looked after and who's going to manage the property. You need to have a competent manager in the property to make sure that that all the things are done correctly, that the tenant doesn't do the wrong thing in the property, because you really want to make sure that that's all done right, because if it's not, that's where problems start to occur. So when you're buying an investment property, there's lots of other little things to consider as well. They're just probably the main three ones that I think that you need to consider when you're buying one. So if you're looking at buying an investment property, get in touch with us. We do a lot of this stuff. We help a lot of people who are buying investment properties. You can either put a comment below, message us directly, or give the office a call, and we'd be happy to help. Have a great day. Bye.